Today I'm here at Boxee's new offices, and this is Avner Ronin, who is the founder of Boxee. Boxee is an application or a program that you can take online video content or content that you already have and stream it to your television. So how did you get the idea for the whole concept of Boxee?
We were using more and more the internet as our main place where we would get shows and music and photos, and we wanted to do it on our TV screen, and it was just not a great product for doing that, so we decided to build one. Now there's about 850,000 users of Boxee, most of them in the US. We want to bring more content into Boxee, and we want to make it easier for developers and content owners to put their stuff on Boxee and monetize it.
How does that work exactly?
People pay for shows. I think in some cases people pay for channels. Definitely for movies, but I think there's also a great opportunity for independent content owners that are making either web shows or independent films that up till now it's been very hard for them to get distribution and also monetize.
So what do you think will be the industry standard in the next couple of years as far as web TV goes?
I don't think there's going to be one codec to rule them all, and that's not the issue that is holding the industry back right now. Other issues are holding it back. Less than 10% of cable content is available online, and about 50% of broadcast content is available online. There is an existing business model with the cable companies that pays them billions of dollars every year for their content, and they don't want to do something to disrupt it, or at least they want to do it in a gradual way that's in a more controlled fashion.
So is there any way that you can figure out if someone is playing illegally obtained content?
Most of our users, what they do is they stream content from the internet. So Netflix is the most popular application, and Pandora and MTV, those are all legal streaming solutions, obviously. But we also play files that the user have locally, but we don't know how he got the file, whether it's something that he bought, or is it a DVD that he ripped, or it's something he got from his friend, or he got it from BitTorrent. Even if your friend may have gotten it from BitTorrent, when he shares it with you, what you'll see is an option to play it from someplace on the web that is legal.
So you guys are releasing a new product.
The Boxee Box, you mean?
Boxee Box.
Yeah, we don't have a final date yet, but it's going to be sometime in the summer. So it's a device that runs Boxee. It's a pretty small box, as you can see, so it should fit nicely under your TV. At the back of it, what you'll see is that it's pretty basic. You can connect it to your TV using HDMI, and then if you have a surround system, you can use optical out. Or if you just connect it to your TV and it's an old connection, you can use default RCA. There's Ethernet, so you can connect it to your home network. There's also Wi-Fi N inside. And then there's two USB slots that enable you to put more storage or connect accessories in the future. It comes with a very nice remote. But then on the flip side of it, there's a full QWERTY remote.
I'd love for you to go and show me some demos of Boxee.
Sure.
We can actually see what this is all about.
Yeah, we'll do that.
So Idan, one of the co-founders, is going to show me exactly how Boxee works and all the fun things that it can do. So the first thing I notice is you have a Tumblr application on here.
True.
As we said, we really try and get the internet into your TV. So what we have here is you can actually access your Tumblr account, and it aggregates all of the music and the photos, so you can start playing all of the music that your friends had posted in a playlist, and then just put the photos like in a slideshow in the background, which is a pretty cool application.
That is. When are you guys going to start doing video?
So we already started. If you go to the home screen of Boxee, we have like 3 columns here. So one is the things that your friends have recommended to you. One is things that we think that you should watch, and the other is the queue, which is basically things that you want to watch. If you look at the feed, then this is a really, really nice feature that we just introduced. It's going to be out in a couple of weeks, I guess, for everyone. But what it actually does, it doesn't only show you the things that your Boxee friends had shared with you, but also videos from Facebook and Twitter.
Yeah, because I can see the little Facebook logo on the bottom. So is that where the feed is coming from?
Yeah. So the new beta, one of the main differences that we've introduced is actually an aggregated library of TV shows and music and movies. So whenever you want to watch a TV show, it doesn't really matter where the TV show is coming from, or if you have it locally, or it's available online. So you can basically just go, you can search for a specific TV show. Fun thing is that it actually shows you all the episodes which are currently available on the internet for that specific show. So for instance...
And it breaks it up by seasons. I can see season 3, episode 14.
And you can see wherever it's available from. So this is available both from FX and from Hulu.
Do you have something that can tell you which one is going to look better or which one you prefer using?
So yes, we have some parameters in the back end that we try and recommend. So for instance, if you have it locally, then obviously the local file would be the first one that we'll suggest. Or if you have it available from Netflix. So probably if it's from Netflix, it's not ad supported. I think that the real strength of Boxee is really in the applications. So this is where we have currently more than 300 applications.
I see Wired, Juice,
yes.
Picasa, Major League Baseball.
Yeah, Flickr. So lots of things, and each of them has its own experience.
Well, thank you so much for giving me the grand tour of Boxee and a little bit of its history and how it works. If anyone wants to find out more about it or even download it, where should they go?
So they should go to boxee.tv and you can download it from there and check it out. We'd love that.
Okay, well great, thank you.
Thank you.